up like a dump truck. Back it up like a dump truck. Back it up like a dump truck. Back it up like a dump truck.
Easy back it up, 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 bring it back, come rewind. Double D cup, 43-inch behind. Booty duty, onion booty. Baby, do your dance, drop it like a hot potato. Do a 4-point stance, both hands on the ground, ass in the air. I'ma make you feel it through your pants, hand full of air. I met this thick ass broad. Her name was Mona. She live in Sacramento, in the town. I was on a Planetron line squeezing Corona. She was on tree, took her home and I boned her. Damn, that sex was good. She was from the hood, got me hard as wood, hitting it like I should. I ain't got a front, get it understood. I do what I want, suckers do what they could.
Back it up like a dump truck. 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 Back it up like a dump truck.
A regular party is some fake shit. You can find me where the girls dance naked. I wanna get my dick sucked in the VIP in the strip club. Looked around and found me one, my flavor. I'm trying to pound on some. She got nice titties, long weave, kinda pretty. She turned around, damn, too much booty in the pants. I told her shake that monkey, I'm feeling this shit. It's so